I'm Dr. Chris McNeil with MetroDetroitChiropractors.com, and we provide many different therapies in the clinic to help relieve carpal tunnel syndrome symptoms. Number one, if the carpal tunnel symptoms are coming from pinched nerves in the neck going down into the arm, into the hands and wrists, we can do decompression traction to relieve the pinching on the nerves that are going down the arm to the hands and wrists. That can help free up those nerves and free up the discs in that area too. We also have intersegmental traction that provides movement through the spine and can help relieve any pinching on the nerves, starting in the neck, going down to the wrist and carpal tunnel area. Along with using electrical stimulation, ultrasound therapy, cold laser therapy right on the carpal tunnel and cervical spine area to help reduce inflammation, decrease pain, increase healing time. Ice also can help with inflammation in the cervical, in the neck area, or in the wrist and carpal tunnel area. Those are some therapies that we help people in the clinic with their carpal tunnel symptoms.